Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the last puzzle. The last puzzle in the additional, not in today's newspaper on a Monday, May the 22nd, 2023. No, it's the edition of Saturday, May the 20th, 2023. In this additional, I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the Sudoku with the 0 stars. And this one will be the last puzzle. Yeah, it's the cipher block. In Dutch, in English, Tectonic, in Japanese, Suguru. And this will be number 6476. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 15 printed digits. The hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one 15 should be an easy one. It's also indicated with a 1 star, and for 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 1 star. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Well, I see here two single boxes. Here a single box, there a single box. Always a 1. Here 1 and there 1. Do we have here dual boxes? Next question. Dual box, I see here only one dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1. We have a 1 there. So the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Next question. Triple boxes then. Oh, no. We have another dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, the 1 is already given, so this box should be a 2. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes then. I see here triple box and there triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 3 is already given, so the 1 and the 2 are left. The 1 and the 2. And let me go to this triple box. Well, those numbers I cannot tell. Could be everywhere. The 1, the 2, and the 3. But when you see a triple box, remember, the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Alright. Then the following question, do we have here quadra boxes? I see here one quadra box in an L shape. Well, in the L shape, remember that the box near, the inside box, the inside box is always a 5. This box is always a 5. The inside box of the L shape of the quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. And the other numbers could be everywhere. More quadra boxes? Let me check. No. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, let me draw this shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Okay. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape, how about this? Oh, overlook this shape. This is the first shape, but rotated. Wow. same as this one, but rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Alright, overlooked. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And here another one, but upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Do we have more? Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. And those are the shapes that you... Oh, overlook this one. The second one, yeah. Overlook this one. We have more. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright, do we have more shapes that you need to recognize? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize. Yes, 1, 2, 3, maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. 2 numbers. Oh, wait. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, no 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers, 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. Let me mark those. 4 and a 5. Here, this box. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers, 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. Let me mark those. 1 and 2. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so 1 or a 2. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Ah, we have a double 1 here. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill anyone in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Alright. Okay. Then, this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 1 there. If I place the 1 here, then this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1, but we already have a 1 here. So, not a solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. Alright. Okay. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can't be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill anyone in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill anyone in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. I should be there. Alright. Then. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So the 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 3 or a 5. But we already have a 5 there. So it can't be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 3 then. Is connected with that box should be also 3. So I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 and a 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this corner box for also the numbers 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 4 goes there. Alright. I think this box should be a 5. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then. Let me think. This box can be a 4. This box can be a 2. So the 2 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. That means we have a double 4 there. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 5. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes, okay? So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Alright. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. These two boxes can be 2. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So the other pair in this area should be the 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. Let me mark those. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. Alright. Then. Let me see. Well. Okay. Here can be 1 and 1 should be there. Okay, let me go up. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Need a 2 here, yeah. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. This box can be a 3, and this box can be a 2, so the 2 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be in, 2 goes there, so 1 digit left in this area for number 4. This box can be a 2, and this box can be a 1, so the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, so I've eliminated the 4 there, so the 4 should be here. Alright, I cannot place the 2 here. If I place the 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 1, and that box should be a 2. Alright. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. Let me mark those. 2 and a 3, 2 and 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 2 or a 3. Okay. Well, let me think. These two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area from numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 2. That box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 4 goes there. Alright, we go down. Well, 2 and a 3, we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Overlook this 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Alright, these two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this triple box should be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Well, I cannot place the 1 there because we've had double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 3, and that box should be a 1. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5. Alright. Then this box can be a 4, and that box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. Of course, it's connected with each other. All right. I think this box should be a 5. Yeah, of course, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. Overlooked. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes in there. 2 numbers left in this area. One numbers 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 1. And this box is connected with that box should be also a 1. And the final number in this area for number 2. Finishing 15 minutes. Ay. Almost. Yeah, let me give this 2 stars then. Not faster than a 1 star. Maybe I talked too much in the beginning, but we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again. Yeah, tomorrow on Tuesday. New day, new puzzles. I hope with an additional. So have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye-bye for now.